So you got the capability to use Microsoft Forms inside of Teams to be able to create data intake. And you can create very customized forms, get graphical summaries of the results, and you can export those results out to Excel. So there's different levels of the capability, but you can build a very simple form that basically, no matter what your level of technical capabilities are, as long as you can do drag and drop, you can basically select that. So, if there's an existing form here, you can choose an existing form, or you can create a new form. So we're just going to say new customer intake here, and you can say, at the bottom here, whether to post that to the channel, which is something that if you want everybody else to know the form is there, you're going to want to leave that selected and hit save, and it opens up this form. And now you have a tab at the top called new customer intake. Well, now you can build out this form. So let's add a customer name field to it. And we're just going to use this. The first one's just going to be a text field so that we can capture that information. We can say it's required. If it's a long answer, I can select that here. We can add a request date to this and determine whether that's required or not. And we can add another one for request status, and we can give it the name for the field, but we can set what the options are so that it's a multi-select. So we can say new. We can add another one for an open status. We can have an in progress status, and we can have a closed status. And you can build out your fields this way for your form. Again, it's like no development required. You're just entering information, and you have a form here. And there's a responses tab up at the top right with any as they respond, they can actually add that in, or you'll see the responses listed there. But you can set a theme for it. So there's large selections of themes. You can use just different colors. You can add themes in. We're just going to select the one here with the two young ladies at the top, and it sets the background and all for that form. You can also put a header image in here too. You can build fairly robust capabilities, and this is the forms experience inside of Teams too. If you go directly to Microsoft Forms on the Microsoft 365 platform, you even have more capabilities.